Happy New Year. We've been invited to a friend's place for a barbecue. So I have prepared some food and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be bringing to their place and to cook at their place. What I have prepared to take to a friend's place, I have made a mixed vegetable skewers, Malaysian style chicken satay. Ketupak, in Malaysia we call it ketupak, is actually compressed rice. We need to make our own chicken satay sauce. Hi, I'm at my friend's place. This is T, and T is going to show us how to set up the barbecue, to barbecue the chicken satay. T, do you want to give us show us how you do it?
The first thing I've got how to make your barbecue clean all the time. You need the foil to put on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a foil.
Just a foil.
Yeah. So T's tip is that put a foil on top of the grill, so that way your grill doesn't get too dirty, and it's a very good way, an easy way of cooking the chicken satay. So let's have a quick look.
Yeah, let me show you how to do it. Preheat for the barbecue, and then use the foil.
Right. Okay.
Yep. About 2 or 3 layers, and then when you do the barbecue and you put the chicken in, it not stick on the.
Right.
Barbecue.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's what you usually do.
Yeah, usually do.
Okay.
And then.
All right.
Yep. That's it. That's all. You make your barbecue. You don't have to clean all the bottom.
All right.
Simple.
How long do we have to wait for the heat?
Oh, it's just 5 minutes or 2 or 3 minutes, and that's it, because the heat will come up on the frozen anyway.
All right. Well, let's taste it out and have a look.
Okay.
Thanks. T is helping me unwrap my satay as well as the vegetables. So let's have a look. This is a skewer, mixed vegetable skewers, which I have made is. So I have zucchini, 3 different types of colored capsicum. One is red, yellow, and green, and also red onions. And this is my chicken satay, which I have marinated overnight. I'm gonna brush the satay with the coconut milk that is mixed with cooking oil. This way it doesn't dry up the satay. A glass of champagne while waiting for the chicken to cook. Cheers, T. Happy New Year, guys.
Happy
for
New
tomorrow.
Year. When you use the foil, everything, the color of the chicken will look nice, look better than you put on. You don't put the foil on.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that. I never knew that you can actually put a foil and do the barbecue of the satay. It does look better, the color.
Yeah.
Alright, well, thanks for the tip.
You're welcome.
Okay. No, you try tea. You try because I made the satay. I can't really taste it myself. You need to taste and tell me what you think.
Smell nice anyway.
That's nice. It's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
That's right. With the tongue. Lovely.
Tea is helping me do the rest of the satay. I will show you in a video, except a different video, how to make Malaysian chicken satay at home and how to marinate the satay.
Learn from Victor. More coconut.
Yes. Yeah, the coconut oil actually gives the satay a much nicer flavor,
Oh.
and it gives you a much richer texture as well, so a rich flavor that comes from the coconut milk. So this one we're going to brush it differently.
Oh,
So we
okay.
use a different dressing sauce.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we use olive oil,
Olive oil.
and with garlic and parsley leaf. Yeah. With vinegar, balsamic vinegar. Thank you so much, T. This is beautiful. Chicken satay and the mixed vegetable skewers. Let's sit and enjoy our meal. So we have Simon and we have Stephen over here. Cheers!
Cheers.
Happy New Year!
Cheers.
Happy New Year for tomorrow. Cheers, everyone.
This looks delicious, Victor. Most welcome. Fantastic.
I always with the help of tea.
And tea, yes.
Then bring the yum to us.
Yes.
Oh, you need to go with the sauce.
And how is the barbecue? It's really, really good. Yeah. Thank you. We don't have a barbecue at home, but I'm glad that we get to test it out here at your place with a fantastic view. Thank you so much. And yeah, so yeah, make sure you have the satay sauce tea.
Yeah.
Try some satay sauce.
Very nice taste of the coconut.
Yeah. Oh, tea. Oh, thank you so much. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
It's just okay.
Just okay.
Sorry, what part of the chicken you use? Chicken breast or chicken?
I always use chicken thigh.
Chicken thigh. Oh, okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Really, really soft.
Chicken breast is too dry.
Mm.
If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Happy New Year. Cheers.